Welcome. If your Facebook feed feels overwhelming and you want a fresh start, unfollowing everyone is a quick way to declutter your experience. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unfollow everyone on Facebook using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. You'll find this icon in the top or bottom corner of your screen, depending on your device. Tap the three lines to open the menu. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options, then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything about your Facebook account. Now scroll down to the section labeled Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage what appears in your feed. In the Content Preferences menu, you'll see an option labeled Unfollow. Tap on Unfollow, and Facebook will show you a list of all the people, pages, and groups you currently follow. This list includes friends, public pages, and groups whose posts appear in your feed. To unfollow, simply tap the Unfollow button next to each person, page, or group. There's no confirmation required, just tap, and you're done. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't offer a Select All option, so you'll need to tap Unfollow for each one individually. It's a bit repetitive, but it's the fastest way to clear your feed using the app. Once you've finished, head back to your home feed and refresh. You'll notice your feed is much cleaner, showing only posts from people or pages you still follow or interact with. That's it. You've now unfollowed everyone on Facebook, giving you a more peaceful and personalized experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want to declutter their feeds too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, streamlined Facebook feed.